Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: fuel, brakes, steering responsiveness, and visibility. Once done, enter the vehicle calmly and set a clear micro-route to the first checkpoint. This reduces hesitation. Press the throttle gently, aiming for 15 to 25 mph to feel steering feedback. Make sure to use short, deliberate steering inputs so the vehicle doesn't overreact. You do this because controlled initial movement builds confidence and lets you detect any handling quirks before committing to higher speeds. Once underway, transition into controlled acceleration. Increase speed in small increments so you maintain traction and reaction time. When approaching a turn, brake earlier than you think necessary, then roll into the corner and accelerate out. This balances weight transfer and prevents understeer. While moving through mid-route choke points, scan ahead and pick a stable line. Maintaining a 2 to 3 second gap gives you room to react. You do these steps to keep momentum steady and to minimize abrupt corrections that cost time. To finish, commit to a measured final push. Keep input smooth and don't make sudden swerves to gain distance. If you encounter loss of control, immediately back off the throttle, straighten the steering, and regain a steady line before reapplying power. This prevents spins. Once finished, stop and inspect brakes, tires, and bodywork for issues. You perform these checks because small damage or heat-soaked brakes degrade performance on the next run, and fixing minor problems preserves both consistency and safety.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.